Tesseract newsletter. This is Stelios, the CEO of the Tesseract Academy. And on this video newsletter, we're going to talk about cybersecurity on steroids and also a few other news from the world of AI and Web3. So first of all, something which I'd like to draw your attention to is that AI and cybersecurity are getting merged into one. So as you can understand, with the global geopolitical tensions rising, cybersecurity is becoming ever more important. And obviously with the advances on AI, it's very tempting to try and figure out how AI can be utilized in cybersecurity. And this is one of the things we're researching in the Tesseract Academy. We're working on a research project with the Alan Turing Institute to try and understand how large language models can be applied in cybersecurity. So what we're working on with the Alan Turing Institute is the following. We're using large language models to generate simulated environments, and then we're using reinforcement learning to break into those environments. So to explain why this is important, you have to understand that everything in computing and the internet is a network. So there are all kinds of configurations in networks, and when an attacker, be it a hacker or a foreign entity, wants to break into a sensitive network, they have to try and understand how the network is connected and where the vulnerabilities exist. So, but one of the best ways to figure out how to make a network more robust or how vulnerable it is to simulate it, okay, to try and simulate attacks. So through the use of LLMs, we can generate simulated environments very easily, which means that an operator, a cyber defense expert, they're able to conduct way more simulations that they would have otherwise conducted through this approach, which eventually leads to safer systems. And again, this is only one application of AI and cybersecurity. There are many more to come, but this is one in particular that we're researching with the Alan Turing Institute. Something else which I wanted to draw your attention to is that we've received an award for the most reviewed consulting company in the United Kingdom in 2024, as well as the most reviewed cognitive computing company. So we're very proud to make this announcement to you, and it's clearly the culmination of many years of our efforts in this area, helping businesses and decision makers understand how they can use AI in data science. On other AI news, it looks like AI is powering Web3 with AI-powered decentralized apps now dominating 28% of the Web3 market, surpassing gaming. Also, there's a new AI startup surge. There have been 70 new AI-driven unicorns in 2024. And also, it looks like investors flock to startups blending AI and blockchain. Obviously, there are like many benefits there, but I think because there's also a big trend in both areas and there's a lot of hype, it's obviously very tempting to try and merge the two. So we expect that AI is going to dominate the space of Web3 in the upcoming bull run. By the way, for those of you who are not aware, we have a program called the AI and Web3 Mastery Program. For those of you who want to get ahead of the game, so if you're a senior professional who wants to better understand how AI and Web3 can help you move your career forward, we have this program for you, which includes courses, coaching calls with me personally, exercises, even consulting, all in a very nice package with an annual subscription. If you're interested in this kind of thing, just make sure to drop us a message. So in terms of the surge of early stage unicorns, which is led by AI startups, what we see is that there has been a lot of change in 2024 compared to 2023 in the sense that the trend has only been rising, right? And just Web3 is only part of the picture. So what we expect after looking at the stats is that there might be some slight slowdown in terms of AI startups in the sense of like the space is saturating as it's maturing, but nevertheless the valuations, they're still quite high. And also some of the advancements that we're seeing in this space, they're non-trivial. So we see a lot of fundamental research. ChatGPT still has a lot of competitors, Grok being a main one, which is obviously funded by Elon Musk, but also some smaller ones, like, for example, Anthropic, Claude, Mistral, Microsoft recently invested in Mistral, and so on and so forth. So we'll be talking more about them in upcoming newsletters. But I guess the point to take away here is that AI is obviously leading the race in startups right now. And it's probably transitioning from the hype to the maturation stage. So, if you want to know more about this, if you're interested in AI, if you want to just implement AI in your business and you don't know where to get started, make sure to book a call with us. We offer this service called the AI Clinic, which is essentially a free consultation for anyone who is interested in AI. And by the virtue of booking this clinic, you also get the Decision Maker's Handbook to Data Science, the third edition, which recently came out, which is a book, my first book ever written, but now it's been updated to include more about the advances in AI, which is a very useful guidebook for anyone who has no technical expertise and wants to know more about this space. So if you want to know more about any of that, make sure to book a call. You're going to find the link in the description below, and we'll be waiting to hear from you to help you with anything relating to data science, AI, product development, and Web3. Thank you.